Okay, I'm Rebecca Jensen and I'm full-time animal control. I do the streets of Clarksville and I've been here about 3 years.
I'm Robin Brown and I'm the shelter manager and I've been here about 2 months.
I don't want to get emotional, but we go and we get stray animals and we take care of them and we get them adoptable ready, and we come and do our jobs and we adopt animals and find good homes. And that's about it. I see. It's okay. We do dogs through animal control. The police department actually calls me and dispatches me out to the call, and I'll go pick up the dog. Our cats come in through relinquishment, so people that cannot care for their cats, they bring them here. Right now we have about, I would say 35 dogs. That's inside and outside. Might be 40-ish because of the puppies. And we have 16 cats. That's including kittens. We just work really, really hard to get our animals in good condition and good loving homes. And I take it very seriously, and people that drop their animals off just push them to the side, and especially puppies. And we have foster parents, and we get good animals and good homes.